pawis na po kami in the morning. Hello, Barangay Pias! Hi! We're here now at Pias Mapandan. Let's go, guys! Woo! Thank you po, Councilor Vega, for our t-shirt, for our sponsored t-shirt. Councilor Carl Vega. Thank you po, Councilor Carl Vega, sa aming sponsored t-shirt. Solid! Councilor Vega, Pias Mapandan! Woohoo! Magandang umaga sa inyong lahat. With us is Zin Peter and Coach Jem. Yehoo! At sa mga naggagandahang momshies and ladies and gentlemen, andito po sila ngayon, humahataw. Hataw! Yehoo! Sexy! Yehoo! Hello, sexy! Good morning! Hello, live! Yehoo! Go Atanor! Go Atanor! Yehoo! Dito naman tayo sa ladies na magaganda sa likod. Good morning, everyone! Good morning, madam! Good morning! Hi, Kagawad! Good morning! So, thank you po sa aming sponsored t-shirt nga sinusot namin today kay Councilor Vega. Thank you po! Yoo-hoo! Hey! Hataw! Hataw! Hataw!
Good morning!
Yeah, good morning, guys!
Morning!
Party, party! Good morning, guys! Yoo-hoo! Go! Go, Kagawad! Ayan sila. So, kailangan namin magpapawis everyday. Everyday, okay? Woohoo! Hi, Ma'am Mildred! From Canada with Love. Sana may mag-sponsor naman from Canada with Love ng Zumba. Hi, Ma'am Mildred! Hi, Ma'am! Kumusta po? Hi, Saning! Madam Saning! Wow! Let's go! We're here now at, Pias Mapandan every Tuesdays. Ang schedule po namin ng Mapandan is every Tuesday, 6 to 7 in the morning, and Friday. Ay, 5 million viewers! Hello! Hello, 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 hello! Have a good day, everyone! And God bless you all. And I hope na sana sa bahay-bahay nyo Ay, sir! Hi, Sir Saning! Sani! Sir Sani dapat. A kiss me all the time. Hi, Beltran of San Nicolas. Thank you for watching. Ay, 20,000 viewers. Ay, 20 million. Hi, Sir Saning. O, ayan, pwede na, Sir Saning. Sir Sani. The time. Hold me, darling. Hold me, of Kalasha with me. Correct, Sir Sunny. Magpasumba ka na, Sir Ren. See you at Bunuan. Thank you guys. Thank you for watching.